David and Tara are talking about clothes.
I went to a wedding this weekend.
Who was getting married?
My uncle married his childhood sweetheart.
What were people wearing?
The men were wearing smart suits and the women were dressed up in formal dresses with hats.
What about you?
I went and tried on lots of suits in the new department store in town, but nothing fitted or suited me, so I wore an old-fashioned suit of my cousin's. I took it off as soon as I could.
What about the bride?
She was beautiful. She wore a long ivory dress, buttoned up at the back. She had matching high-heeled shoes. She smiled a lot when she was dancing.
So, David wore his cousin's suit. He tried on lots of suits, but they didn't suit him or didn't fit. David got dressed in his cousin's suit, but undressed as soon as he could and took the suit off. The women dressed up in formal dresses. The bride didn't zip up her dress, she buttoned it up. The bride's shoes matched the dress.